Start by marking precise hole locations on the shower surround panel using a template and protective tape so cuts are accurate and edges stay clean. For best results, make a cardboard or paper template of the faucet and spout openings and hold it firmly against the panel to confirm alignment with the plumbing behind the wall. Measure twice and mark the cut points with a fine pencil through the template, accounting for any offset caused by flange or escutcheon plates. Apply blue painter tape over the marked area to reduce chipping and to give your cutting tool a stable surface to start from. Use a hole saw sized to the required opening and run it in reverse at slow speed when cutting acrylic or fiberglass panels to produce a smoother edge and reduce heat. If access behind the panel is limited, remove the panel where possible and cut with the panel flat on a stable work surface to avoid flex and cracking. After cutting, gently deburr the edge with a fine file or sandpaper wrapped around a dowel to preserve the circular shape and test fit the fixture before final installation. Common mistakes include cutting without a proper template, which leads to misaligned openings and difficult refits, so always make and verify a template against the fixture and plumbing. Cutting without protective tape often causes chipping, so apply blue painter tape over the cut area and score the line first to guide the hole saw. Rushing the cut by using too high a speed or aggressive feed can melt thermoplastic panels or crack brittle materials, so run the tool slowly and let the cutter do the work while cooling the bit with short pauses if needed. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project discussions where we share tips and ask questions about jobs like cutting shower surround holes. We help contractors find work by exposing their services to our audience and fostering conversation in our community.